Hello everybody. Hi, my name is Jemma if you didn't already know, and if you did know, hi, my name is Jemma and welcome back. Today I have another video for you. It is another unboxing video. I've had many packages delayed because of COVID-19. Many of you guys are probably in the same boat. I particularly had one package in Japan that was delayed for 4 months. It is here now and I am so excited. Very, very summery prints. We're talking fruits, lots of fruits. I have two particular dresses that I am going to be unboxing right now, but I also have a ton of accessories, and if you want to stick around and watch me unbox some bags and socks and earrings and necklaces, continue watching. It is, I swear, like 90 degrees in my room right now. Oh, if my face just looks extra highlighted, just know that it's not highlighter, it is sweat. Okay, let us continue. I have the box right here. Oh, what's on my hand? Oh, it's just a hair. This is what I've been waiting for 4 months for. And so this is the package that I'm gonna start with because it is what I am most excited about. All right, here we go. Sniff, sniff. Yeah. Oh, I got a sneak peek. Yeah. There she blows. Ooh, ooh. This is cute. Which package do I pick first? Here's the first thing. Boop. Oh, okay. This is what was in the package. First thing we got on top is a little head bow. Cute, adorable, adorable. Plop. And this, I'm assuming, is the waist ribbon. Great bright red color. It's a ribbon. Can't really go wrong. Can probably go with a lot of my other things. Plop. Here is the main star of the show. Oh my goodness, I am in love. Bam. This is Angelic Pretty's Fresh Cherry Special JSK set in yellow. It is bright yellow. You've got bright red cherries, ribbons, daisies. It's super beautiful, lovely lightweight fabric, perfect for summer. It is just my primary color dream. At the bottom, we have cherry lace, adorable. Kind of reminds me of like pinup style with like the color and like the motifs, the cherries and the red polka dot bows and everything. So I think it'd be really, really cute to do like a pinup X Lolita sort of like fashion mashup with this. I think that would be like super, super adorable. And I'll let you know what cord I come up with. All right, now the next package, I'm just gonna go straight in. Bam, done, da-da-dun. All right, so the first thing I pulled out is this cute little apron. Now, I got this secondhand on Frail, and it said it was an Angelic Pretty apron, and when I saw the picture, I was like, I really doubt that. But actually, looking on the back here, I see an Angelic Pretty label. It is an Angelic Pretty apron, and it's got 2 pockets. Wow. The pockets are decorated with ribbons, and then you've got 2 bows on the bottom here, and it is made out of this crochet material. Cute, cute, adorable. I really, really love these little like half aprons and wearing aprons with Lolita. I think it just like gives a dress such a new way to wear it. So I definitely needed one, and here we are. The next thing I have are some wrist cuffs. So I have these adorable gingham wrist cuffs. They are white lace with red gingham bows, and they have heart jewels on them. I think it just goes with a lot of dresses that I have, and I'm super excited to wear them with them. All right, now the last thing in this package. Done, done. Scoop, bam. First off, the matching head bow. The next star of the show is, bam, another jumper skirt. Now, if you watch my channel and have seen some of my previous unboxings, you know that I love and adore a fruity lemon. Yes, I bought another fruity lemon dress. Don't come after me. This is Angelic Pretty's Fruity Lemon Special Jumper Skirt set in blue. adorable. This is such a unique color of blue. Like, it's super, super gorgeous, and I love like how it contrasts with the yellow. I think it's just such a fun, summery color combination, and of course, super summery print. We've got lemons, we've got chicks. Yeah, it's got white lace. It is a very, very high waist cut, which I really, really like. I just can't get over like how stunning these colors are. But yes, that is Fruity Lemon, my second Fruity Lemon baby. Let's just jump right into some cute Lolita accessories that I got. Bam. This first thing that I got from Closet Child. This is a milk cardigan. Now, this isn't very summery, but this is a really adorable pink cardigan from Milk. It's got these pearl buttons going down, and it is, I believe this feels like wool or like a wool blend. Yeah, it's just a super cute cropped cardigan. Just throw this over almost all of my dresses. This next thing is a pair of tights. This one I'm actually not going to unwrap. I feel like tights I like to keep in their packaging and like until the moment that I wear them. These are Angelic Pretty's Heartful tights. They have hearts going down. It's ivory and red, pink lace, hearts, ribbons, adorable. This next thing is a red head bow. Just a super simple layered red head bow. I think that this is gonna go with a lot of my red dresses. Ooh, striking. This is a necklace that I got off of Closet Child. Perfect. It's from Cupot. It is red beads all the way down, and the charm is a red lollipop that is on this pendant that says Cherry Jam. I just think it's really, really super cute and unique, and I love Cupot's jewelry so much. It's wonderful quality and super unique and detailed designs, so I'm really, really excited to have this in my collection. This is also from my Closet Child order. Here I have yet another necklace from Cupot. This is a biscuit necklace. It's got this super cute, adorable wooden biscuit charm, and right next to it, it's got this whipped cream charm right next to it, and also just a tiny little rhinestone. It's on this gold chain, and I got this specifically to go with Cream Cookie Collection, which I just recently got, and I think it's gonna work wonderfully. Also from Closet Child, I got these super adorable wrist cuffs. These are Angelic Pretty wrist cuffs. I think they're called Airy Tulle wrist cuffs. They are white, and they have these adorable polka dots on them, and also these mint green bows and pearl details. I got these specifically to go with my unbirthday OP. I think they'll look super, super adorable, but I also feel like they can go with my mint fruity lemon OP as well, and other coordinates that I have mint in. I love mint. Yeah, I think that this will go with a lot of those. Now, this is the last thing that I got on my Closet Child order, and it is obviously a bag from Milk. All right, so here is the bag. This is from Milk. It is used, and I do notice that there is some like creasing around here, but other than that, it's in really, really good condition. And yeah, I think it's just the perfect pink color. I think it goes super well with my outfit right now. I really just needed a statement pink purse for Lolita coordinates, and that is this. So I'm really happy to have this now. The next accessories I have are from my purchase from BB&B. BB&B have some really, really adorable Lolita accessories, and I ordered some earrings and a necklace and maybe a ring, I don't quite remember, from their biscuit collection. So let's just get on into this. All right, the first pouch. Pouch. All right, so the first package that I have from BB&B are these adorable asymmetric earrings. This side, I have this adorable biscuit with a bee on it, and it also has a crown. And then this next one has a fork, and it is in a caramel. I think that this is perfect for Cream Cookie Collection, and it's in this adorable caramel color that I think will just go really, really well with the OP that I have. And I love how they're asymmetric, and I think that they're just really, really unique. Let's open the next BB&B package. Yes, I did order a ring. This is amazing. Wow. So I got the biscuit ring from their collection. This is in a adjustable ring. This is adorable. Of course, it's got like the biscuit cookie with the bee stamp on it. It's got a little charm and rhinestones, and it's wearing a little crown that is on there with some little whipped cream. All right, and here is the last pouch that I have for my BB&B order. I had a little bit of untangling to do, but this is the necklace from that same collection. the adorable cookie, but it's also got the fork and caramel charm on it as well on this very long gold chain. So it'll probably sit somewhere around here, and I'm so excited. It's gonna look so cute, and I can't wait to find other ways to cord these pieces of jewelry. All right, now this is the last Lolita package that I have to unbox for you today. I honestly kind of forgot what this was, so let's find out. All right, so I got a ring from this Etsy designer called Star Glazed Delights. Once you guys see this ring, you'll probably recognize it. It is the brand whore ring. So iconic, I love it. If you guys don't know what a brand whore is, it's just somebody who has a lot of brand Lolita pieces, which would be myself. The one that I got is the pink and gold one. So it has this pink bow with gold detailing, and it has brand whore on the bow, and it is so cute, and it's gonna go with so many of my coordinates, and I'm just so proud to be a brand whore. You know, I had to represent. All right, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, consider liking it and maybe even subscribing if you want to see more of my content. And yeah, I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope that you keep on smiling, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!